Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How you doing out there today? Alright guys, I'm back with you once again. Do me a favor, go ahead right now, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload new videos, okay? Now, let's get right to it. I'm going to show you a system, guys, that you can see how you can make $500 per sale. Or you can make $1,000 per sale. Okay, it is 100% commission. No splitting with anybody. It's all yours. And I'm going to show you a system that I'm using, okay, and which you can use as well to do the same. It has a great presentation that's going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay, you landed here because you're looking for a way to make money online. That's how you ended up on my page. Because I am an affiliate marketer and I do this full time from the comfort of my home. Okay, so let me show you that system. All right, see how this works. And I'm using postcards. Okay, that's one of the ways I'm doing it. And of course I'm doing it online, but I want to show you that way. Hang on one second. All right, this company is called Easy One Up, guys. It's been around. It will be 3 years in August of 2019. Okay. A solid company, Easy One Up, it is, okay? What is Easy One Up, okay? Easy One Up is an e-learning company, okay? What it includes is digital courses, okay? It teaches you how to make money online with their courses. They have modules, lots of training, okay? And it's online. So you can access this from any device you have as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, okay? Just like you have friends or you may have some co-workers and say, hey, well, I want to take some night classes to be in IT, right? They do it from home, okay? You can take your courses online nowadays, all right? So same concept, but the difference is this is internet marketing. These courses are going to teach you how to make money online. Whereas that is more academic so that you can excel in your career, in your job, right? So with the day and age that we're in now, in the 21st century, everything is digital. You know that. I mean, your coupons now are digital, okay? Everything has an app to it just about. Go to your phone and download the app, okay? So this is no different. So again, the difference is this is going to teach you how to market online with these courses, and you have several of them here. Okay, here's one. Okay, Elevation. As you can see, all the courses that you get with Elevation. Okay, but if you're in it to make money, I would not join at the 25 level. I would join 100 and higher, because you have to remember, if you're starting a business, you're going to need advertising money, right? You're going to need a budget. Okay. So if you start at 25, you can only make 25 bucks. So you need to at least come in here at the Elevation so that you can make $100 commission. Okay, and you're going to receive the 25 for free if you join at the 100. But I wouldn't come in lower than the $100 level. It's only $110 to get started at that level, by the way. Okay, so then you have your 250, you have the 500 and 1,000. So what I want to focus on was the 500 and $1,000 level. Okay, and I'm going to show you a system that will do the presenting for you and only speak on the 500 and the $1,000 level. Okay, so that is the program, the product that you're going to promote, but we're going to use another system to do that. Okay, and that's what I want to show you. So let's go over to that system. Hang on one second. So as you can see, this is one of the capture pages of the system that I'm going to talk to you about. All right, so this page you can drive traffic to this page. All right, we can use postcards, you can use solo ads, different methods, but I'm going to be talking about I've got a special postcard for this program, and I'm going to drive people to a page like this, and when they go into this page, put their name and email in, they're going to get a presentation that's going to show them how to make $500 commissions over and over. All you got to do is drive people to this page, let the system do the selling and telling for you, okay? Let me show you that. Hang on. And by the way, this system brands you. It has your name in there and your number, okay? So people can see who you are. So let's go over to the pages. Okay, let me show you the back office here of this system. As you can see here, it's called the Vertex lead system. Okay, kind of goes along with these levels, right? Because that's what we're going to be talking about. The $500 level and the $1,000 level. Those are the Vertex levels, even though the 250 is, right? But Vertex Elite and Vertex Pro is what we're pushing. Okay, so if we send people, okay, to a page like this, right, it takes them over to this system. And let me show you the presentation. Hang on. You enter your information, it takes you over to a page like this. As I stated, has your name, your number, your picture, everything is on here. It tells them it's 100% commission. Okay, and with this program, that's what I like about this program. You get your first sale. So you get your money back on your first sale. Come in at the $500 level, which is going to be $550 to get started. This is a business in a box, guys. You can't beat this. $550 gives you all the levels up to the $500 level. That's going to give you the $25, the $100, the $250, and the $500. Okay, for that $550. Not to mention all those courses that you're going to get to teach you how to do this. Okay. So, what we're talking about, promoting the $500 and the $1,000 level with this system right here, okay? Vertex lead system. Right here, when they hit play, it's going to show them how joining at that $500, $1,000 level is going to be pretty simple to do, because you're going to push people here and let the presentation do the selling. I always say, I don't do the selling, my systems do. Okay, so that's why I don't mind being in 100% commission business, because people will call. That's okay, guys, but you get to keep 100% of your money. Okay, 100%. It's all you. So you would pay $500 to me and $50 to the company for the administration fee, and you're in. Okay, and you're gonna get a system like this. This is what I want you. This is separate, but we're gonna talk about that. This is a separate system you can get for $97, okay? It has all these capture pages, but this particular video is going to do all the selling and telling for you, okay? And I have a card, a postcard that I'm going to be using to drive people, again, to a page like this, is what I'm saying, okay? To a page like this. I'm going to move this screen up a little bit. To a page like this, and then they enter their information and they go to the video right here. Okay. Once they watch that, they go here and it will take them to Easy One Up page, which will look like this. Okay. It's going to go to a page like this. When it's said and done, they click join and make sure my information is here when you join. Okay. See, it has me, my number right here. My name is pointing. So make sure that is there before you actually pay. You go here and set up your account, guys, and we get you rolling with this. Okay? So this presentation will do the selling for you. This is a great system, and they show you a blueprint. Okay? So that way, if you have a goal and you're saying, hey, well, I just want to get $500 a week, or I need an extra $500 a month, this system has a blueprint in it to show you how to get there. Okay? With getting one person, okay, a week, but it's going to show you how to do that. So I really, really like this system, okay, that's helping me promote Easy One Up, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing it with this card that I've got. It's an awesome card. It's all in color. It's a 5x7. Okay, it's a 5x7 card that I'm going to be using. And it's color front and back. And again, you drive people here where it tells them. And on the card it says make $500 commission. So everything is going to be cohesive. It all goes together. It makes sense. They get a card in the mail that says you want to make $500 per sale. And they go to a system like this that says the same thing. It makes sense. So they put their information in. Voila. They get a page like this. They press play and it does the selling and telling for you. And then your information will be right here. If they need a question answered, just answer the phone, guys. Okay, it's not difficult. And you have me as well. I will help you close if you need be. Okay, not a problem. Don't worry about that part of it. Just get in, get started. I've got a special bonus for people that come in at the $500 and $1,000 level. Of course, there is the 25, the 100, as I showed you over here. Okay, I showed you that over here. Let me go back. There's several levels to it. Okay, but I would not come under lower than that 100. Okay, because it's not going to do you any good. You're going to be in the negative. You're trying to be in the profit in black. So we want to gain money, not lose money. Okay. So at any rate, we're talking about the 500, pushing that level. This would be the system I highly recommend you use. That's what I am doing. Okay. So I'm going to start a campaign with these colorful cards that I have. Okay. And I've got a special bonus, as I said, for you. So this is definitely what you want to do. It's only going to be $550 to get this course. Okay. This is what you're going to do. You're going to go Vertex Elite, if at all possible. Okay. Because Vertex, you're going to get all these. Not just that one level. You get everything. The 25, the 100, the 250, and the 500. If you do the 1,000, you get them all. Okay. So that's what I recommend. And this is how we leverage the power of the internet, guys. But we can do it offline. Okay. We mail something, people get it, they opt in, they go here, they watch this, they may have questions, they will sign up. It's going to also send emails on your behalf, okay? The autoresponder will go out. You get an automatic email marketing system with this if you get the Vertex system, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. The emails will go out for you, as well as you're able to broadcast to your leads in your back office. So you can do that too, and you can reach out to the people. You'll be notified via email every time you get a lead, okay? So this is a great way to do this program. It's a great system. It's been around, like I said, 3 years, and they're going to do some updates on it too, so that's going to be even better. But a solid company. Peter Wolfen is the CEO. He created this, and we haven't had a glitch. There may have been a time too here that he was updating it, but this program has been going like autopilot, no problems with it at all. Okay, great one. And we have a Facebook group as well for you, so you can get support in there as well. All right, so with that being said, I'm going to go now, but I'm going to have you guys go ahead and subscribe, hit that subscribe, and click that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. Okay, and until next time, I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.